Cadastral surveying procedure in the context of Nepal. Cadastral surveying. What is cadastral surveying? Cadastral surveying is the discipline of land surveying that relates to the laws of land ownership and the definition of property boundaries. Purpose of cadastral surveying: to determine the boundaries, coordinates and area of each plot, to relocate the boundary registered in the cadastral register, to subdivide land into parcel for ownership under a land title. Now the cadastral survey procedure workflow are: planning and area selection, notification, establishment of control points, adjudication and boundary demarcation, measurement and recording, cadastral map preparation, registration, distribution of ownership certificates. First step: planning and area selection. Area for surveying is selected based on condition of cadastral maps and land records, or if any urbanization or change in detail occurs, or dispute between neighboring plots. In planning phase, survey office and survey team is established in project site, and then old existing records are gathered. Team are specified for particular VDC or ward. Then the necessary survey instruments are prepared and the starting date of survey are announced. Next step is notification. 15 days notice is published on different media and newspaper. Local people and local government units are informed about the cadastral surveying mapping. Interaction is done with the local community and ensuring public participation. And the next is establishment of control points. Control points are established by the Geodetic Survey branch of Survey Department. Close link traverse is followed. And the next step is adjudication and boundary demarcation. Adjudication is the process of asserting the rights in land. It is carried out using existing documents. Adjudication is done based on the owners of neighboring parcel. Boundary demarcation. It is based on the adjudication process. Two neighboring owners demarcate the parcel boundary for survey. Pegs, pillar, pipes, etc. are used for demarcation. And the next is measurement and recording using telescopic LEDed. Steps are measurement of horizontal distances, plotting of distance and direction in field using total station. Steps are capturing coordinates, parcel sketch, data download and database preparation using GPS. Steps are capturing coordinates, data download and database preparation. And the next is cadastral map preparation. In analog system, map is directly prepared in the field. In digital system, map is prepared in the office using captured coordinate data. Documentation. Preparation of Pramanic theories based on field data about owner and parcel. Area computation is done. The next is registration. Registration is the process of official recording of rights in land. 7-day notice is published for registration and claim of correction of any mistakes. After the 8th day, registration starts, and then finally the distribution of ownership certificates. 2 copies of land ownership certificate is prepared, which are Shrestha and Purja. Jagadharni Purja is provided to landowner, and other maps and records are kept at District Land Revenue Office. This is the sample of land ownership certificate.